Have you ever watched Stranger Things and thought, I'd totally hang out in Mike Wheeler's basement? Well, now you actually can, because the Wheeler house is officially for sale in Atlanta, Georgia. The house may look like a typical suburban home, but fans of Stranger Things will recognize it immediately. It's the Wheeler family's place, the backdrop for basement hangouts, tense family dinners, and some of the earliest moments between Mike and Eleven. From late-night strategy sessions to first adventures, this home became one of the show's most familiar settings. What makes the Wheeler house stand out is its ordinary appearance. It's not haunted, it's not extravagant. It's a classic two-story family home, but on screen that normality made it the perfect backdrop for extraordinary events. Inside, the house for sale offers more than 2,400 square feet, with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Built in the 1960s, it carries the details you'd expect from the era. Wood paneling, brick fireplaces, and rooms with a lived-in feel that echo the warmth and nostalgia of the show's 1980s setting. The basement is especially notable. While it doesn't come with a gate to the upside down, it's easy to imagine it filled with board games, flashlights, and the sound of dice rolling across a table. For fans, it's a space that almost feels like a character in its own right. The property sits on more than 2 acres at the end of a cul-de-sac, offering privacy and plenty of outdoor space. It's the kind of setting where kids could ride bikes until the streetlights came on, or where late-night adventures might start under a starry sky. With a large yard, carport, and quiet location, it's a house that balances nostalgia with practical appeal. The Wheeler house is listed at around $350,000. For a 5-bedroom home on this much land in Atlanta, that's a competitive price. Add in the cultural recognition, and it becomes something more than real estate. It's a piece of television history. Over the years, the Atlanta area has become a destination for Stranger Things fans. The Byers House, Hawkins Middle School, Starcourt Mall, they've all drawn visitors. But few locations are as closely tied to the heart of the series as the Wheeler family home. For a buyer, the options are wide open. It could be preserved as a retro time capsule, renovated into a modern family home, or transformed into a theme rental experience. With millions of fans around the world, the demand for that kind of stay would be instant. But beyond investment value, this house represents something familiar. The Wheeler house is where the kids regrouped after facing danger. It's where family dinners carried on even as the world outside fell apart. It's a reminder that even in a story filled with monsters and government labs, the heart of Stranger Things has always been about ordinary kids, growing up in ordinary homes, facing the extraordinary together. The Wheeler house is more than just a house for sale. For fans, it's a chance to step inside the world of Hawkins and maybe even make it your own.